Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally, and this will be a quick video to show how I clean and lube the chain. The chain should be cleaned and lubed whenever it's dirty, dry, or starting to rust, but determining how often that should be really depends on how much water, dirt, and debris the chain picks up in your riding environment. It could need to be cleaned after every ride or just once every few hundred miles, so at least take a look at the chain before each time you ride and clean or lubricate it as necessary. In this case, I'm cleaning and lubing a brand new chain, so check out my chain replacement video if you want to know more about that. Here are the tools that I used for this job: socket wrench, short socket extension, and an 8mm socket. For this job I also needed a stiff nylon brush, kerosene, spray bottle, chain lube, gloves, rags, and a rear stand. There are links in the description for everything I used. Make sure to put down some rags under the chain to catch all the gunk. I'll start by removing the two 8mm bolts securing the front sprocket cover. Make sure to clean the inside of the cover if it's dirty. The chain guard is secured with three 8mm bolts. I'm replacing the chain on this bike because it's completely trashed after just 400 miles, and we're not entirely sure why. Cleaning the sprockets is a lot easier with the chain off, but it still needs to be done if you haven't removed the chain. I use kerosene because it's safe on rubber, it's cheap, and you can find it anywhere. After cleaning the front sprocket, I noticed some oil dripping from it, so I removed it to get a better look. It didn't seem to be leaking anymore, so I put the sprocket back on. Maybe it leaked a few drops because I was moving the sprocket in all directions while cleaning it, but I'm really not sure. Leave a comment if you think you know what happened. New chains come coated in a light layer of grease that's not good for much more than protecting the chain against rust during shipping and a shakedown ride, so I always clean and lube new chains after installation. Use as much kerosene as you need and scrub all four sides of the chain. After the chains had time to thoroughly dry, apply your favorite chain lube to the rollers, making sure not to get any on the tire or the brakes, and wipe off the excess. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design, available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below. Reattach the chain guard with its 3 8mm bolts. Then reinstall the front sprocket cover. I've been making a lot of videos with this bike, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.